Would you like to learn how to make baked sole with Parmesan cheese and broccoli? A dinner that could be ready in under 20 minutes and on the table for your family. Stay tuned to the next episode of Hilltop Stovetop. Hello and welcome back to Hilltop Stovetop, the show where we're teaching you how to make great meals in an ordinary kitchen. Today we're going to be making baked sole with Parmesan cheese and broccoli. And this is going to be part of a playlist that I'm going to put together on my channel that I'm titling Skip the Takeout. So these are all the things that I'm doing that are really fast meals to prepare, provided of course you have some staples in your kitchen. And so we're going to start off today. We've got frozen sole, and we specifically have bought the kind that comes, each one is individually wrapped, so watch for that on the label, that you've got ones that are individual servings, because otherwise you have to thaw out the whole thing, and we don't want to have to thaw out that entire bag for just one serving. The other thing about this is I'm making one serving, but if you have 3 or 4 or 5 people, you just put it in a bigger pan and multiply it out. So it's pretty straightforward and easy that way. So we're going to start off with a little bit of garlic butter here. Pan cooking there. And that's really about all we need on this pan, is to just get that butter melted. And then I'm going to add in some garlic, and I like to buy this stuff that is already pre-crushed. So that's kind of the equivalent of 1 clove of garlic per serving. Mix that up. And I am going to have some rice with this, so I've already got the rice cooking on the stove. Pop that in. And we've got some frozen broccoli florets here. Around. And we've got some Parmesan cheese. Now this is the stuff that already comes pre-grated. So we're going to just cover that over with Parmesan cheese onto your broccoli as well. And then I'm just going to pop this. I'm going to use the air fryer because it's just one serving. If it was more than one serving, I'd use the oven. But because it is just the one serving, this fits perfectly in my air fryer, about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, or until the cheese is nicely browned, and that by then the rice will be ready and dinner will be served. That's how easy it is. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so we're at about 12 minutes now. It's almost done. I've got my rice ready here. And I'm going to add in a little bit of a spice called sumac. This is not a requirement, this is optional, but this is a spice that I was just introduced to by my new neighbor, Batul. So hello, Batul. And what this is going to do, it's not only going to make this rice a little bit a prettier color, but it also adds just a hint of a lemony flavor, which is going to be nice with the fish. So we'll put that on our plate, ready to go. And then I would say that our fish is done. It will be hot, we know that. And there we go. Smells delicious. And the broccoli is just perfect. And there we go. That was, I think, 16 minutes about total to get that ready. So we have baked sole with Parmesan cheese and broccoli. Skip the takeout dinner faster than it would take the delivery man to come to your house. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Hilltop Stovetop and that you'll remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next episode. Bye-bye for now.